Here's the infrared thermometer from Aegis. I'm going to show how some of the functions work here. Click the trigger and you can see it takes the reading. It gets a 98.1. We're going to be talking about the functionality of each button. We have mode that switches between surface mode and body and room temperature. We have Celsius and Fahrenheit that switches between the two readings. And then we have memory that will store the last 32 readings that you have taken with the thermometer. So what we do is we click it on with the trigger here, and that turns it on here. As you can see, we're on surface right now. So we can switch between surface and body and room temperature. And then the next thing we're going to do is the Celsius and Fahrenheit. We can see what it's reading on my hand here. All right. And then we can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. And then finally we have the memory that, like I said, stores the last 32 readings. And you just click that, and then you click the reading button, and it shows the number and the reading. All right, we're going to demonstrate how to maintain and clean your thermometer. What we want to do is we want to start off with a 70% rubbing cleaning alcohol. And what we're going to do is we're going to clean the sensor right here and also the body. So to clean the sensor, it's the most, keep in mind this is the most delicate part of the unit. But we're going to stick some rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab and gently insert it into the sensor and rub it around. Make sure you get down there, but still be careful. Allow for that to dry. And then as that's drying, you can take a soft towel with the alcohol. We don't want to use any abrasive materials, so make sure that you use a soft towel and just rub the outside of the unit. Make sure all parts of it are rubbed down on the body and also on the screen and back there. Keeping in mind that the reason we do this, not only on the body but especially on the sensor itself, is the cleaner that sensor is, the more accurate your readings will be, and make sure that you're getting the correct temperature as you're doing. And you just do this after each use or as needed. There's the new Aegis infrared thermometer.